How to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can see your password if you forgot it. Open your Instagram application and go to your profile. Here, tap on the menu and then go to Account Center. And on Account Settings, go to Password and Security and change password. As you can see, you can't really see your password from Instagram. So instead, go to your settings and go to Google and see if you have saved your password on Google or not. Tap on Password Manager. Here you can see, as I have not saved my password on Google, I can't really see the password. But if you have saved your password in Google Password Manager, then you'll be able to see your password, and that's the only way you can really see your password. Otherwise, you can't see your password. So, and that way you can see your password if you forgot it in Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.